Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into the HELLOLAND Poseidon gaming desktop PC, and trust me, this one's a powerhouse for gamers, streamers, and creators alike. Video game emoji, fire emoji. Before we dive in, if you're looking for insane performance at a killer value, check out the link below to get the best deal on this beast right now. Let's get into it. Rocket emoji, performance breakdown. The Poseidon is powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X, a 6-core, 12-thread processor with a base clock of 3.7 GHz and boost up to 4.6 GHz. This means snappy multitasking, smooth gameplay, and zero bottlenecks whether you're gaming or streaming. Pair that with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060, and you're getting exceptional 1080p and 1440p gaming performance, DLSS 3.0 support, and ray tracing that brings your games to life. Floppy disk emoji, memory and storage. With 32GB of DDR4 RAM clocked at 3200 MHz, this PC can handle intense multitasking, video editing, and AAA gaming with ease. Add in a 1TB M.2 SSD, and you've got blazing fast boot times, near instant game loading, and enough room to store your entire library. Meridian globe emoji, connectivity and expansion. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth mean you're ready to go wireless right out of the box. No need to run extra cables or buy extra adapters, it's all there. Artist palette emoji, design and aesthetic. The HELLOLAND Poseidon features sleek, modern case design with RGB fans and excellent airflow. It looks just as aggressive as it performs, and the RGB lighting takes your gaming setup to the next level. High volume emoji, additional highlights. Windows 11 pre-installed, so you're getting the latest OS with full DirectX 12 support. Plenty of USB ports and future expandability. Runs quiet even under heavy load thanks to efficient cooling. White check mark emoji, final verdict. The HELLOLAND Poseidon gaming desktop checks all the boxes: power, aesthetics, value, and future readiness. Whether you're a content creator, casual gamer, or competitive esports player, this system delivers solid bang for your buck. Right pointing finger emoji, don't wait too long, check the link in the description to grab the best available price today. Let me know in the comments, what game would you fire up first on the Poseidon?